Good morning, good morning. Hello world. Good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you are, part of this world. So here in UAE, it's morning. It's turning 8 a.m. So good morning each and every one of you. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Hi, baby cat. You this morning about a 10-minute exercise and mindful driving, especially sa mga papasok po ng work. Sorry about that, my my cat. Okay. So magandang umaga po especially sa ating mga kababayan mga Pilipinos dito sa bansang UAE. So ngayong araw na to, I'm going to share to you the 10 minutes exercise that you can do early in the morning or morning pagkagising po ninyo. So 10-minute exercise. Ayan. Hi everyone. So I'm going to speak in Tagalog, no, mostly my fellow kababayans are, I want to reach out to my fellow kababayans. So again, 10 minutes exercise. Exercise is not only a way to start fit but also an opportunity to connect with your body and become more aware of your physical abilities. Yan. So, di ba nga, we do stretching in the morning, if not exercise, especially sa mga busy na mga kababayan natin, lalo na yung mga maagang pumapasok sa work, you can start stretching, no? Before going to shower, before taking your breakfast, pwede tayo mag-stretching. So, 10 minutes lang naman yan every day. So, maganda siya na practice natin na gawin. So, bakit nga ba tayo nagti-10 minutes exercise? No? Engage in a brief physical activity such as stretching. I mentioned a while ago, yoga, and light cardio. So, this is actually a good example, no, sa ating mga kababayan. Pagising natin sa umaga, di ba, pag nasa probinsya nga tayo, magwalis-walis, magsunog ng mga dahon-dahon. So we can do that also dito sa ating mga plat. Kung tayo ay naka-sharing ng mga plat with our fellow colleagues, kababayan. So pwede tayong magsimula stretching sa umaga, yung pinaghigaan natin, ligpitin natin. It's a form of exercise. Ayan. So kaya maganda din na i-practice na, for example, wag yung na-reach na lang ng kamay mo yung mga dapat mong gamitin. So, maganda ayan, from lakad ka lang ng konti, kahit nasa opisina ka, you can also do the exercise. Example, sa office. So, you can maximize it. So, pwede kang mag-stretching doon, tumayo, magtimpla ng kape, basta wag tatagal sa kinakaupuan. So, ayan. And pay close attention to your body movements and sensation. Focus on your breath and how each movement makes your body feel. Ayan. Pagka nag-stretching tayo, no? So, this practice not only wakes up your body but also energizes your mind, helping you start the day feeling connected and refreshed. So, kailangan niya para hindi sumasakit yung ating mga kasukasuan, no? So, 10 minutes exercise practice po natin siya. And for those people who are actually driving from their houses to their work, ayan, yung mindful driving, pwede din pala natin gamitin yan na maging mindful lang ating araw or magkaroon tayo ng mindfulness. Ayan. If driving often causes you to feel anger, stress, or anxiety, you can shift your experience by practicing mindfulness during these daily tasks. So, ayan. Maganda yan. Pag nagda-drive, yan. So, di ba, nagagalit tayo kasi ang traffic, yung mga tao, mainit ang ulo dahil nga, ayan, hindi nagbibigayan sa kalsada. So, gawin natin tong mindful na practice natin, no? Mindful driving. While driving, focus on the sensation of the car, the road, and your surroundings. Kaya nga, di ba, yung mga driver, ng presence of mind nila. Talagang alerto. Notice the feeling of your hands on the steering wheel, the hum of the engine, and the rhythm of the road. If your mind starts to wonder of stress arises, gently bring your attention back to the present moment. Practicing mindfulness while driving can make the experience more relaxed, focused, and safe. So, hindi lang tayo nagiging responsible ng mga drivers, 'di ba? So, sa sarili din natin, nagagawa natin yung practice na yon. So, maging responsible drivers tayo. Ayan. So, maging mindful tayo, wag mainit ang ulo, traffic, nagigit-gitan sa daan. So, imbis na ikagalit nyo, i-practice nyo na lang yung mindful. It's okay. Kasi lahat ng tao ay may mga pinagdadaanan. So, hindi natin alam, no? Habang nag-drive sila, ano ba yung mga tumatakbo sa isip nila. So, practice those 10 minutes exercise and mindful driving. Again, ulitin ko po, 10 minutes exercise. Exercise is not only a way to start fit, but also an opportunity to connect with our body or your body and become more aware of your physical abilities. And also, mindful driving. If driving often causes you to feel anger, stress, or anxiety, you can shift your experience by practicing mindfulness during this daily task. Do that and it will help you a lot. So marami na tayong nabibigay na mga papaano maging mindful sa umaga pa lang, yung pagliligpit ng ating hinigaan, habang tayo ay nag-shower, damahin natin yung tubig na dumadaloy sa ating skin, and also meron din tayong mindful na mga driving, yan, 10-minute exercise, so you can practice that as you start your day today. So, I'm sorry I need to cut this so early. Medyo hindi maganda talaga yung pakiramdam ko, but I feel like I need to share this mindfulness to each and every one of you this morning. So, yes, maraming salamat sa mga nagjo-join, ano? So, medyo dumadami-dami naman yung mga nakakadinig. So, kahit isa lang ang nanonood or nakikinig, it will make a big difference. Ayan. So, today is November 11, 2025. And it's Tuesday. So, mag-ingat po tayo and always spread love and positivity to each and everyone. So, isabog po natin yung pagmamahal, hindi lang sa ating sarili, ganun din sa ating kapwa. Ayan. So, magandang umaga po muli and have a great day. Have a blessed day to each and every one of you. God bless. Mag-ingat po kayo at always spread love.